Ukuthi phela wena wawumthembisile ukuthi uzomenza wokuqala.
Usho kanje?
Wena ngeke vele umuntu aza kusukela athi meke ungangenzi wokuqala mina ngiyaphuma kulento.
Okay. Ngakuthembisa.
Yebo, kumele wangithembisa.
Ngakuthembisa.
Hayi anginazi bandla ngamthembisa.
Athi-ke ngibuyele lana ekuqaleni. Le ndaba lena ngizange ngathembisa umuntu.
He made me understand uba uNompumelo will be the first one. And then uNompumelo waphuma. And then he promised me to the point where he even communicated nabazali bami into yobana ndizawutshata mna qala. So obviously indaba ye-virgin, I was never going to be shocked ngayo. If why honest nam. uNompumelo kudala ejula ne-virgins. Akayiqali loo nto leyo.
Sho ukuthi phela wena wawumthembisa. UNompumelo angitshela.
Yeah.
Njengoba kunje, ngase ngikubukile ukhuluma ngathi nje awunandaba nje.
Yeah, sekufike kulo point.
So are you telling me ukuthi this is the person that you are? Ngoba phela
yazi imana
ngisakhuluma.
Imana ungakayi lapho. You know very well ukuthi lo muntu usabambana naphambi kwakho la ngezandla.
I know.
Yabo?
I know.
So manje what do you expect? Ukuthi mina ngihlalele lawo manyala. Amanyala phela.
I know kodwa naye ushilo ukuthi i-character yomuntu iyona eshintsha umuntu.
I-character iyashintsha. I'm dealing with two different personalities, ne? So angeke ngifike nale character engisuka nayo kuTirelo ngifike nayo ngala. Ngoba mengifika nayo ngala kuzobe ngathi ngithatha izinto zanga ngoba phela hleli kunepolitiki elincane.
Yeah. Yini uzongifica khona la? Leyicathulo zenzeni?
Ayiphumelelo keke. Athangwamdiyo. The omega tsene blue. Kaskipa sisi green.
Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. In this channel I post new videos each and every day. I post more than one video each and every day, so please make sure that you subscribe just to keep yourself updated with the latest news, the latest gossip. Now guys, with the videos that you've watched, beginning of this video, the clips that you've seen of Tirelo is demanding answers guys from Umpumelelo. You know, I guess maybe she's not that bad after all, but Naya, she has her own flaws, you know, but she is demanding answers guys. She is like confused like everybody else, you know. She is asking Umpumelelo, did you really promise her to be the first wife? And then Umpumelelo is just laughing there, you know, like that sarcastic laugh and making it seem like Vuyokazi is just crazy and all of that, you know. And you can see the hurt in Vuyokazi's eyes. You can see the hurt guys, you know. So, and another thing that I picked up there guys, I think Umpumelelo has been obsessed with virgins, you know, because Vuyokazi said Umpumelelo has been dating virgins. It's nothing new, meaning that in the course of their relationship, Umpumelelo has been wanting virgins here and there, has been wanting virgins, you know, which leaves you confused as a girlfriend. Like, this person, am I not good enough for him? I have a child with him, but he's busy chasing virgins, like, you know. So Tirelo was demanding answers with Umpumelelo, why are you even talking like this? Like, why are you so rude towards Vuyokazi? And Umpumelelo was just like, you know what, Tirelo, stay away from it. You know, Mina no Vuyokazi, we have been fighting. It even got physical. So stay away from it. I guess Tirelo was just trying to make peace, guys. No, she was just trying to find an understanding, you know. But Umpumelelo is just not having it, and I just feel sorry for Vuyokazi embarrassing herself like that. You know, I think she should have just kept quiet, enjoyed the trip at Sun City, and then maybe spoke about this with Mpumelelo in private, because what she did there, she really embarrassed herself. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of this video?